Oh, it's more crypto action. Ar-Arweave. ARUSD. You can see it right here on stock charts if you want to look it up there. Alright, so check it out. This one back in 2020, we start 137, 769, 170. Starts to make its move up to 10 very fast. 15 goes to 46. Big runner, pulls to 721. 71, 89 on this pullback. After that, it shot up to 89. This is an incredible move in a late 21. Go all the way down to 740. Draw your line right about here. That is a tight falling wedge, and it lows to 374, moves up to 47, 7852, 74. You have a high right now coming all the way down the high line. Here's your low line, 170, 419. Pretty much holding that, going slightly above. So you have a big triangle here, a lot of room for a pop-up. Now, draw your line right down here. Falling wedge, or you get a, call it a descending triangle actually right here because the low's staying there. But it looks pretty good at holding at 692. And you can see here, very oversold. From that last pop, it went all the way down to 351, minus 90 CCI. You like to see that. Money flow, nothing doing, and either is RSI. But so I like that, and any pop, another big move, pop, I would like easily to 30, 35, that trend line. I'm talking, run. It could take a while, but that's what I would look at here. Let's check out the weekly chart. See the weekly without the trend line there. Consolidation, go up, come back down, go back up big time. Then you consolidate it for over a year. You can see right here. Look at the tags back and forth, and then you get a 52.74. Now you can see right now, 4 to 8, 4 to 7, sort of in this zone right here. Not doing much. See the daily chart. All right, the daily, came down from 17 to 4. Goes to 8, back to 460. Now we're at 694. You need to really break, excuse me, 7, this 890, probably this line right here, and then power through that. So we'll see what, crypto action being very strong right now. If a lot of these start taking off, pretty much Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything's moving. So you want to see these move, of course, and start making some sort of move up, just like this back in 2023. You see the move, then eventually you put a big crescendo of a shooting star wick, and then in that zone right now. So we'll see if this can get to 30, 35, eventually get some sort of move here, movement on this, and we'll see if it happens. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim Trades on YouTube. Peace.